She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, so welcome to my first video. Well, I think this is gonna be my first video if I post it, because I've already recorded a couple videos and I never put them out because I'm shy. So today I'm gonna be going to the beach with my besties, and I figured this would be a pretty good experience to vlog because my besties are so funny and I love them so much. And yeah, so not my missing nail. Oh my god, I think I was fighting someone in my sleep. I don't know, I woke up without a nail. So right now it's currently 9 a.m. and we are supposed to, or I think it's 10 right now, but we're supposed to leave at 12. So I'm currently kind of getting ready. I just straightened my hair. I changed into my bathing suit. I just have a little shirt over. And I still need to pack my bag. I'm not gonna record that because who wants to see me pack a bag? Nobody. I'm super excited. I just can't contain myself. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. So Fatima just picked me up and we're ready and we're gonna go pick up Brianna and then we're gonna pick up Jasmine. We have the whole crew. Miss Jazzy J, Miss Brianna Gonzalez, Miss Fatima Landa. We have now stopped at Walmart to get some snacks. Jasmine, from 1 out of 10, how excited are you today?
I am right now I am like a 6 out of 10. But I'm more excited. Or you want to play volleyball?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So right now we are in the car wash.
Because my car is dirty.
Yes. Right now we are currently in HEB now because the girls really wanted some like
Mexican candy.
Yeah, they really wanted some Mexican candy.
In Walmart there wasn't any.
There.
Yeah, there.
Yeah. Okay, that's perfect.
Hi guys.
So we are actually gonna do like a mini mukbang here because
I
Fatima.
have my Gatorade.
You didn't get chips.
I told you I wasn't gonna get chips.
Oh,
I can get off
and
right
the
now
girls?
though.
You want to?
Yeah, listen particular.
Okay, Fatima's gonna get down. So Fatima got
Strawberry pound cake. Find the love of my life out there.
yeah. Fatima works at Whataburger, by the way.
I want to kill myself.
Put on the hat for the people. Hey, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Hi guys. Oh,
Guys, we're balancing you on a weight like this.
I don't know why I have that in my car.
I don't know either.
No, I mean, there you go.
Me and Fatima have been best friends since 2nd grade. And
how
I don't know how.
I don't know how she stands me. I don't know how I
Oh my
stand
God.
her.
Me too. We met on the bus, and the way we met is we talked about how hot Alex Russo's brother was on Waverly Place.
David
on
Henry.
Wizard.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am. Guys, so we just got to our hotel. Well, yeah, they don't know about that.
Oh.
So update, we are staying in a hotel now. We are staying at night. And yeah.
We're staying at night.
We're staying the night.
The night.
Yeah, the night. And hopefully, I'm pretty sure the hotel has a pool. Yeah, that's where, look guys, this is where Shutter One was. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, we're super excited. We'll update you when we're getting ready to go to the beach. This is gonna be like fake Cancun for us. Okay, so don't ruin our vibes in the comments. Don't be like, oh, they're so excited just to go to the South Padre. Girl, let me live. So we just got into our room. We're so excited. We're here. And we have 2 beds, and outside we can see the freaking pool. We're staying like where Schlitterbahn's hotel used to be. So you could kind of see like Schlitterbahn ahí afuera. But yeah, we're so excited.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down.
Oh my god.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and fill the sky with the songs and the trees. Cause we're buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day.
Guys, we are in the hotel drying up because we want to go eat. And yeah, we just posted our pictures. Go follow us on Instagram. Yeah, we're laying on the floor because we don't want to get the bed wet. Because, oh my god, since this was a last minute trip, we literally did not bring pajamas. We didn't bring a change of clothes because we thought it was going to be like only like going to the beach and then coming back home. But we're staying here. So we don't know what we're going to do. And now my hair is like all tangled. So I don't know what we're going to do. We're probably going to go eat. So we just all took a shower and we're all ready.
This is from Dad's shirt, thank you.
Yes.
I was cold.
Yes, and we're gonna go eat some dinner. We don't know where yet, right?
No idea.
We'll see where we go.
What? Please pray for her.
Bring help, please.
It was like I've seen that like 5 times.
And Jasmine tried to drive it and we almost backed up into a car.
Yeah, no, but because it's taking a big
Parking problem. Loading. Un poquito más para. Bueno, she can go a little forward. Oh, but then she's moving it out now. No, hombre, ya. Eso fue esto. We made it to the hotel and now we are eating our food. Fatima got KFC and the rest of the girls got Wingstop. I press it or what?
No. What's that little hat thing do?
It's a Fiverr hat. We're gonna go late night adventuring to go find some sea turtles or some annoying myself or some, what are they called? Crabs. Yes, some crabs. Guys, we just came back from the beach. Well, we did not just come back. We've been here for like an hour. We are now getting sleepy. Miss Jazz fell asleep.
On our way. Oh,
We're leaving,
yeah.
but we will be coming back
Yeah. Next weekend.
for round 2.
That's what for sure.
Hey guys, so we made it back to Rio already. We dropped off Jasmine and we quickly took Brianna. Right now we are in a flower shop because tomorrow's her mom's birthday, so she's picking up some flowers. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching our adventure, our beach day. Oh my god, not anything else. And yeah, we'll see you maybe next week because we think we're gonna go again. Maybe.
Maybe. Stan and Peyton. Go check them out.
Bye.